Woo. Did you guys do your homework for yesterday? Did you guys write an amazing rewrite for your money story? I hope you did because I shared mine with you. All right, so day 3. What we're doing today is we are going to list 3 things that we can activate your money today. So you gotta list 3 ways, 3 ways you can activate your money mindset today. I mean, you can do a couple different things. Like, for one, you could start with, organizing your finance. And the best way to start organizing your finance is to start budgeting. Look at your budget, review it, make sure that you are on track, or make sure that everything that you've decided that you want to be on your budget is actually on your budget. Okay? So that's one thing you can do. One example. I remember when I had a client who they really wanted to make the next jump in their whole finance, and they wanted to just like, okay, I want to do big things for next year. I'm like, well, hold on. The only way you can get there is by tracking, to making sure that you know what's going on, what's coming in, what's going out, where it's going, and where it's coming from. What kind of source of income are you getting? Where are you spending the money? That's an awesome money move. And guess what? That's in my course. That's a part of my course. And that is also going to be a part of the masterclass. We're going to go through that in fine detail, okay? So that's going to be in the 3-day masterclass that we're going to be doing on August 1st. So it's going to be a Zoom. It's going to be a Zoom. I'll notify you. I'll probably even do it here live because you guys are so awesome. Yeah. So let's see how that goes. Another thing that you can do is you can invest in your skills. What do I mean by that? Well, you can invest in, hey, hi Lucho, hey Encho, Shani. Well, God bless you too. You can invest in your skills. Whatever you do, let's say you're a hairdresser and you normally dye hair. Well, you can go invest in the skills and learn how to cut hair, or do another awesome thing like, I don't know, sew-ins or whatever people do these days, because right now I'm on a natural hair journey. Hey, good day to you, Lucho. So, invest in your skills. So, like me, for example, I am normally very strict in the accounting and taxes area, but I want to expand. Oh, hi, Shami. My name is Nadia. Oh my God, I get so excited when I come on here. I forget to introduce myself. My name is Nadia Mundle, and I am here doing a 5-day challenge, and I'm also given a 3-day masterclass on the 8th. And yes, I'm so new to YouTube. I'm normally in the tax area, but I've decided to like venture out and expand myself and also invest in my skill, which is having both sides of the pendulum, which is the structured part, which is the taxes, budgeting, financing, accounting. But now I am investing in my skills to have the other side of it, the being of the finances, the money energy, the frequency of money. We don't talk about that in this field. So I feel like I want to do that. I want to get both sides of it. They say both sides of the polarized, both sides of the coins. So, hey Sammy, to thank you for reminding me to say my name. Okay. And then there's other things that you can do also, in addition to investing in your skills. Well, that was one example. So Sammy, what do you do? Or Eco, what do you guys do? Like, let me know. Let me see if I could help you in some ways that maybe you could invest in your skills. Maybe it's just something simple as of updating your knowledge of what you are already specializing in. That's one way of making a money move. That's one way of activating your money mindset. Another thing that you could do is claim your payments. uh, this is me coming on and having a 5-day challenge, so we're on day 3 of the challenge. Oh, I should probably tell you guys about day 1. So day 1, we talked about rewriting our declaring our billionaire statement, and that's what we did. We did a bold statement on who we are and basically declaring our future self. And then on day 2, we decided to rewrite our money story. And then today is day 3. We're going to put the wealth in motion by doing just 3 things. Bye, Lucho. Just 3 things that we can do to activate our money mindset today. Okay, so one of them was to invest in your skills. So whatever you do, you can invest in your skills. Okay, and then you can also claim your payments confidently. So if you are owing anyone, or if you have bills that are out there, instead of being worried about them, instead of being too like stressed out about those bills, now you can claim it and say, okay, I know that these bills are here and I am going to take care of them one by one, because you already know what's going on in your situation. You already know, you're claiming that you're gonna take care of it. Okay, so those are 3 examples of what you can do to help activate your money mindset for today. Okay, so you're going to be doing it confidently. You're going to be sending those energy out for claiming your success. Okay, so those are 3 things that you can do. I know those things helped me, especially for me, where I am definitely learning to expand on my skills, learning to be more. Well, I was already organized, so that's not even a thing. But for those who are not as organized, learning to be more organized in their finances, and also not worrying when those bills come in, not worrying like, oh my God, do I have enough? Do I have enough? You will have enough, because you are taking the step, you are taking the action to get things done. Hey, what's up, Welcho? Welcho? Hey, how are you doing, girl? Or guy? It's purple, so I'm not sure. Of course, you can get a shout out. How do you say your name? Welchit? Welchite? All right. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Well, chat, we are listing 3 ways that we can activate our money mindset so that we can make money moves. Okay. So one of my affirmation for today is going to be, I am the source of my wealth. Okay. I'm in charge of that. And you could be in charge of yours too. Okay. And my actions generate impact and income, which is the same thing for you. You know, you are the person who is in charge of your income. You are the person who generates the impact, and you are the person who generates the income. So yeah, take one bold, unapologetic money move today, okay? Because you are the person who is in charge of your life. You're in charge of the actions that you take. You are the only one who could take these actions. You are the only one. I could only do the stuff for myself because I'm in this challenge. I'm taking this challenge for myself. Hey Sebastian, how you doing? I'm taking this challenge for myself this week, and I want you guys to join me. Let's see what happens. Like today, because I've been on this challenge and trying to get this energy like constantly to stay high, it's been an interesting day. So I had really high, awesome energy today, and awesome things happened. But then I also had some really low energy that happened today. What about the universe or God providence? What about the universe or God providence? Yes, God do provide for you, but you also have to take the actionable steps so that he can guide you through. I guess I'm hoping that's what you were asking. I'm not exactly sure. Yes, God do provide for you. That's why you're doing this. That's why you're doing this so that God could help you to activate these energies for you so that you can have all these energies move through you, not just mentally, but in here. They said whatever you are inside, you amplify outside. So we are working to shift or change what's inside so that we can amplify it outside. Now when you're making a shift, you're gonna have delays like me. Today I had some awesome events happening, but then I also had some low energy stuff happening. And I'm like, oh no, I want to stay in the awesome stuff. I want the awesome stuff to become a normal thing for me. I want that to happen for me every single day. Okay? So let me say it again. What we're doing today, we are listing 3 ways that you can activate your money mindset, whether it is investing in your skills or organizing your finances by going through your budget, or claiming your payments, confidently claiming your payments, being able to make your payments on time with your creditors is super important. Okay, you are the one who's in charge of that. So we are definitely going to state our affirmation. I will say my affirmation again because I truly believe it. It says, I am the source of my wealth, and my actions generate impact and income. So I'll leave you guys with that today. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. And thank you guys so much for joining. See y'all tomorrow at 7. I'll be back tomorrow at 7 so we can do this again. All right?